take them off then.
No!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Hannah, the ultimate best friend. And today we're probably gonna be just DIYing some shirts, doing like acid wash, maybe cropping a few, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, and we're finally back at the house and we're gonna actually start doing the acid wash now. Okay, so we're just starting off the black shirt, and then this is a solution of half water, half bleach. And we're basically gonna take rubber bands. Yes, we have rubber bands.
Crumple it.
After the shirt is crumpled, I guess, we're gonna take the spray bottle, which is kind of soapy because we use a soap thing, but it's the only, can you hold it up? The spray bottle. But it's like the only thing in my house that has like a squirty thing. So whenever you're doing this, you want something that you can like squirt water or the solution out easily instead of just like dumping it all out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
So you take it, I watched a video, you take it and then you spray some. Oh, you take the shirt and then you spray some water on it to soak it. This step is optional. It's just to help you crumple the shirt easier. And then basically, since we're not doing any pattern, you just like roll it up however you want and then take some rubber band and just tie it.
Oh. Yeah. These are very old and crusty rubber bands.
If this breaks on me again, I'm gonna...
Maybe don't go for the yellow ones. They seem to be kind of crusty.
You're wrong. That's okay, right? Is this crumpled okay?
Yeah, it looks good.
Right? So basically, you crumple it into some form that you like, and then you take your 1-to-1 ratio of water and bleach, and it should turn really quick because this is a 100% cotton shirt. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
You want me to hold it in place?
No, I can do it. I kind of just like...
Move slowly, move very slowly.
You can already tell that it's like changing.
It's turning really fast. And make sure you're wearing gloves whenever you're doing this because bleach can be very corrosive. So this is what it's looking like so far.
I think that's pretty good.
I think that's, yeah, I agree with Hannah. I think that's pretty good.
Just like let it sink into it fully.
Whoa! That was an entire side. Okay, we're gonna flip it again and just kind of try it again because as you can tell, the backside didn't work out very well.
But it looks really cool.
But the front did look really good. Why would you touch it?
Okay, I think this is good enough. I mean, it's supposed to be like a random pattern. Okay, I think this is good.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, but the reason why we're making these shirts is for our fish. So shout out to our fish.
Freshmen.
Yes, but they're fish. I call them fish.
I call them fish.
Yeah. And basically for fish camp, we have to make them some gifts. Whoa, that turned out really cool.
The back is still kind of iffy, but you know, I think it's overall really good. I think
the front is really good. Let's do the back real quick. Yeah. Okay, so this is the front. It looks really good.
And this is the back. This is still drying, but this looks so cool.
It looks really good.
Oh my gosh, I didn't think I would like it, but it looks really good. This is totally worth it.
Me too. I didn't really know how I felt about acid wash, but now I kind of like it.
I think it's really cool, and every single shirt's gonna turn out different. So yeah, okay, first shirt done.
And we're gonna do that for all the shirts, and all the shirts that we bought are black except for one blue, and we'll show off the blue later since it's different, but we're gonna repeat the same process for all of the shirts, and we'll give you the final product of all of them later.
a little potato egg. Like a mixture of a potato and an egg.
We love potato and eggs together. It's the best combo. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below which shirt you like the best, and I will see you next time.
And that's a wrap.